Wyatt, are you here now? Have you come back? Are you back here, Wyatt? Please turn the light on if Wyatt is here. Is that a no? Yep. Oh, okay.
Wyatt, if this is you, turn the light out for us.
We need to confirm that it's you again. Please turn it out. Please try to turn it out if it's you, Wyatt. Thank you. Are your brothers here with you again? Are Morgan and Virgil with you again? Please turn the light on if your brothers are here. Can you try again? Please turn the light on again if Morgan or Virgil are here with you. Thank you.
Good job.
Okay, go ahead and turn it out. Can you turn it out? Keep trying. Go ahead and turn it out, please. Almost. Come on. I know it takes a lot of energy. We really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, you guys, what questions?
Are you playing a game of poker? If you want to play a game of poker, if you're playing a game of poker, can you turn the light on for us?
Oh my.
Thank you.
Look, my K2 meter's going off.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've got chill bumps.
Yeah,
all
I do.
the way
I
down
did
my
too.
legs.
Just, yeah, ooh, goosebumps. Myrna asked him that question before and got the same response that yes, he is playing poker here. And he also said he was playing Pharaoh.
Farrell.
Yeah. Can you please turn the light out again for us, Wyatt? We really appreciate it. This is the only way we really have to communicate with you. Please turn the light out. I know it takes an awful lot of energy to keep doing this.
We also have something over here on the bar.
Thank you. Thank you.
On the shelf that's got a red light. And you can talk to that. Speak into that and we can record your voice.
It won't hurt you, but it'll just allow us to hear you later. Then we can listen to your voice.
If you have anything you need to tell, a story that needs to be told the truth, we would be happy to convey that.
Are you here because you like this place? Is that why you're here? Can you light the flashlight again if this is the reason you're here?
Thank you. And that's another question that we got the same
Is
answer
Jimmy
on.
upstairs still?
No, he was down over there.
Huh?
It's over in the other room.
You can turn it out now,
I just-
Wyatt. It's okay to turn it out.
Maybe it's...
And please turn it out for us. Good. Please turn it out. Thank you. That was one question we got that same answer on too, if he was here because he liked it here.
Very good.
So we ask if he really loved
Joseph, yeah. Now, sorry to keep asking you these same questions, but this is just a way to prove, that we are
And
getting
verify,
answers.
right.
Thank you.
Great.
Yeah, we asked before if he really truly loved Josie, and he said yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's shining really bright.
Yeah. Thank you.
Are you ready for us to leave? Turn the light out if you're ready for us to leave.
We really appreciate what you've done with us here tonight. We know it takes a lot of energy. And just turn it out if you're tired and you'd like for us to go.
Oh, my K2 meter is going off.
Yeah.
Go ahead and turn it out if you're tired of us being here.
We really appreciate you working with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I have one more question, if you don't mind.
Sorry.
I know we're asking a lot.
You can pull his hat.
Yeah. Do you have unfinished business yet here in Tombstone? Can you light the light if you still have some unfinished business here? I promise you this will be the last question we ask. Just want to know if you have unfinished business or not here. Is this just a place that you really enjoyed being at?
My K2 meter is going off again.
If you don't have unfinished business, is this just a place that you...
So you do have unfinished business. We did ask if he was still, being a lawman
wow.
here. And he said yes.
Yes.
Before.
That's right.
Yeah.
Appreciate the answer.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for communicating with us.
You can turn it out now, and we promise we will leave. I was thinking these darn tourists.
You can turn it out now.
Yeah, turn it out and we will leave.
You can go back to your poker game. We hope you win.
We did get a response too that he likes the gunfights. The stage gunfights.
That they do.
Oh,
Mhm.
He likes them, yeah.
cool.
Gee, if you're going to leave it on that bright, does that mean you want us to stay?
No.
That's what happened last time.
No.
We said, well, is that a no answer? And then it come right on.
Okay. Thank you,
you.
Wyatt.